In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on Choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, tap on your new downloaded one and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!